Hey guys, happy Patriots Day from Massachusetts. So here is that old 1980 CB125 frame that was basically the donor bike for the engine that went into the 75 CB125. And as you can see, it's in really rough condition, which is why I used it as the donor bike. It's got a lot of rust. The forks are pretty bad. Lots of rust on the spokes. Drum brake looks okay. The bottom here is pretty rough as well. The rear brake assembly actually works. Shocks are all rusted out. So this is in pretty rough condition, but I'm actually going to attempt to build this up. I'm going to brush all of the rust off of there, maybe throw some paint on there, maybe replace the forks and the shocks, and then see what happens. But I just want to make a little before video so you can see where it starts from.